Ciao a tutti, welcome to Monza, the Temple of Speed, one of the most iconic racetrack of the world. That's gonna be all about straight line speed, big braking and traction out of the variante, the chicane. Andiamo, let's go, Monza. Right, Parabolica corner. Make sure you get a really good exit out of Parabolica. Prepare your quali lap. Let's go, we're gonna go fast in a straight here. DRS open. 330, 333, 34, 36, 337, big braking, 100 meters. Here you need to make sure that you get that first curve right and it doesn't push you too much to the left. Second apex, very important. And here on exit, that curve is not your friend. That is a very, very bumpy curve, you can see. Very bumpy, not efficient on traction at all. On to turn 3, I think that's the name. Reduce as much as you can the distance here. Second variante here, second chicane, big braking. And here it's all about playing with that curve, and it feels like dancing. You hit the first curve, and then you go on the second one, and then you end up on that exit curve that it's got big waves, big holes there, and the car just bounces, but it's really fun. Lesmo corner. Use the banking on that Lesmo one. There's always going to be understeer here in Lesmo. That's just the way Monza is. Lesmo 2, small brake, downshift, release the brake. Make sure you get the apex right very early on throttle because we've got another DRS zone here. DS open onto the Ascari chicane, but before that we go under the oval. That's the old track of Monza here under the bridge. Big braking. Make sure you carry a lot of speed in the first part, but the key is that to be flat out here on the right and here on the left. You need to be flat on those two corners if you want a good lap time in Monza. And now we're going to Parabolica, 8th gear, 50 meters, braking, light brake, downshift 3 gears. Get some good entry speed and very early on throttle, so you open the line. And then you shortcut here as much as you can in qualifying to get to the start-finish line. Alright guys, I've got one last tip for you before I let you go. If you want to race like the pros or like me, you will need a good equipment, PC equipment. So I've been using the very powerful Orion 5000 with the Intel Core 11th generation chip, as well as a Predator XB3 triple screen with the NVIDIA G-Sync technology.